Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally, where I do a lot of crafts, furniture flipping, dump hauls, and trash to treasures. Today, however, I have a church nursery makeover that was in desperate need. As you can see, this nursery has not been touched since the 80s. So my husband and I have really wanted to go in there and do some remodeling of that nursery. And currently in our church, we only had a couple of infants, so this was a good opportunity. Make sure you stay to the end for my most amazing announcement. The first thing my husband tackled was this interior window and a door that had to be sheetrocked over, and a massive cubby hole thing that was hanging on the wall of, I can't even believe I didn't get a picture of it. It is huge, but it's heavy wood, and that was the first thing we had to do to take that down. Now we have rug on the wall. We have pink carpet. We have yellow walls. We have stick-on animals. We have very nasty linoleum. I've already painted the wall in the bathroom gray. And you can see here, we painted the yellow walls two-tone because those ceilings get as high as 20 feet and we didn't want people to have to get up on a ladder again. So we decided to do the top white, and if we ever wanted to paint, we'd only have to paint over the gray, which looks very dark here because it's not terribly sunny, but actually turns out to be a beautiful color. Took out the pink carpet and had it replaced with this beautiful gray carpet, and then turned our attention to the bathroom floor. And I absolutely fell in love with this beautiful tile, and it just didn't take very much tile to do or very much time because it's just a tiny little spot. But what a transformation. It is so much cleaner and more beautiful, and just love, love, love it. Goes so well with the rest of the nursery. I just added an antique mirror I had here from a previous flip and some basics. I'll let the girls in the office decide what else they would like in there. Then we ripped out the old cabinetry, and we decided to get something much more up to date in there. And we did want to match the curtains that our pastor's wife had made. So I chose this incredibly beautiful blue, and they are just so spectacular. We replaced them where they were, where the sink is, and added a mirror over there, and then added an entire another bank of cabinetry to hold things like diapers and what have you, changing pad on top, and then got this beautiful quartz to finish that off. Added a new sink and faucet and some hardware, and already it is starting to look so beautiful. Now we have a tremendous amount of toys to sort, and we need new rocking chairs, but temporarily, you'll remember in a previous video, my girlfriend had gotten these chairs at the dump and I refinished them, and so they will work temporarily until we find what we want. And then got this beautiful armoire also at our dump to put all of the toys and things away, and just began to add back some of the nursery type items. Stained an old barn board shelf. I wanted to pull a little bit of wood in, and then a very generous friend of mine gave us these gorgeous lights. The lights that were in there were so old, 50 plus years old, and what a phenomenal difference it makes. And so without the artwork, you won't recognize that little hook for the diaper bags hanging on the wall, also out of wood, that I did in a previous flip. So we are still waiting on artwork, but I just wanted to get this video out so that I could tell you my most spectacular and rather fitting news. But before I do that, take a look at how spectacular this nursery looks. The wainscoting wood to separate the two tones on the wall, the color, beautiful blue-gray and the white tones, the gray carpet, the armoire. These are the rocking chairs that we ended up with. There are two of those matching the carpet, and that incredible quartz and those blue cabinets, touches of wood here and there, those beautiful lights, the bathroom that was made over, that little step stool you might remember I did in a previous video. And I am just so happy that this is safe and clean and bright and beautiful and everything that I had hoped that it would be. And now for my news. I am going to be a grandmother. First grandbaby, her name is Anya, and she is due June 9th. And I am over the moon. I cannot wait to meet her. And so I will be doing an upcoming video to show you some ideas that I have for the baby shower in a couple of weeks. Here's a stock photo of the invitation and the colors. So adorable. So stay tuned for that. I have some great ideas, and that should be a lot of fun. And I thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.